Hi, I'm Andrew Bodle from Hygieia Group. Today I'd like to show you can clean incredibly effectively with just tap water. In fact, you can eliminate 70% of your chemicals from your home or workplace. We are all aware of how important it is to do our part to protect the environment, and we're passionate about that at Hygieia Group too. And it almost sounds too good to be true just to be able to clean with water, doesn't it? The iClean Mini is the answer. Let me show you why. You all know those bottles of plastic cleaning products that you've got in your cupboards. Wouldn't it be great to scrap pretty much all of them and replace them with one single thing? That's where the iClean Mini comes in. The power lies inside, and a process called stabilised aqueous ozone, or SAO for short, means that water converts into a solution which is stronger than bleach and hydrogen peroxide. It all happens inside here. And when it happens, it kills up to 99.99% of bacteria and viruses, but simply reverts back to water and oxygen. And there are no harsh chemicals getting back into our waterways or indeed our environment. It's brilliant. So how do we use our iClean Mini? First of all, we charge it up. When it's charged, we fill the reservoir up with cold water. Put the lid back on, really simple, straightforward. And there's our on-demand button. When it's pressed, that's producing SAO for on-demand cleaning anytime, anywhere. And it'll last for many sprays until it needs recharging again. So what's the iClean Mini great for? It's great for high footfall places such as hospitality, offices, all your touch points, brilliant on glass, mirrors. It's safe for children and pets. It's great in kitchens. Need it on a larger scale? We've got an option for you. If you need SAO on a larger scale, we've also got the Tosano Lotus Pro, which is perfect for that. I recently fitted one in a privately owned youth hostel. That went down an absolute treat. So that's the iClean Mini, perfect for the effective, environmentally friendly way of cleaning using just tap water. Thanks for watching Hygieia Group. If you enjoyed this video, why not hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where you'll find lots of more useful cleaning tips, tricks and info. See you next time.